So the problem is Ayan has a bag with 7 green marbles and 8 red marbles. So Ayan has a bag with 7 green marbles and 8 red marbles. So there are 7 green and 8 red marbles. He picks up a marble from the bag at random. So he's picking one and picks another marble at random without replacing the first. So what he is doing is he is taking one marble, then he is keeping that marble with himself. He will not replace it back. He will not keep it back. So without replacing. Calculate with the help of a tree diagram that both are not red marbles. So you need the help with the help of a tree diagram, we need the probability that both are not red. Both are not red. So this is the question. Now they have asked you to draw a tree diagram. So he's having 7 green and 8 red. So total how many marbles are there with him? 7 plus 8. This is the total number of marbles in the bag. So 7 plus 8 is 15 marbles. Total we have 15 marbles in the bag. So we will draw the tree diagram. So at first Ayan is choosing one marble. So when he chooses the one marble, it can be a red or it can be a green. It can be red or it can be green. So it can be out of 7 green or it can be any red. So first time when he choose, either it can be a green or it can be a red. So he has chosen one. So what is the probability of getting green marbles? 7 out of total number 15. And getting a red marble probability is 8 by 50. Now what he do? When after he choose one marble from the question, look, after he choose one marble, he keep it with him and he will not keep it back in the bag. So that marble is with him. He again takes one more marble. He need to take again one more marble. So second time, either he can get a green or he can get a red. Okay, so the first one can be green, second can be green or red. Same way, if the first one is red also, either the second one can be a green or second one can be a red. These are the possibilities of getting the second time. Now, he is not keeping it back. So, how many green? One green already taken here. In this side, one green already taken. So, how many greens are left with him? 6 greens are left with him, no? So 6 greens out of one already taken means total number becomes 14 now. 14. Now he has taken only green here. So red is still in the same number. Total number of red is 8, no? So 8 by 40. Now this side is finished. Now check the next side. Here he have chosen, if he have chosen one red marble. One red marble. How many red marble will be there? Total 8 are there. One he have chosen. So remaining 7 will be there out of 14. And he have chosen a red means total number of green will be same as such. So 7 green by 40. This is the probability of getting red and green in the second case. Now, what is our question? We need probability that both are not red. Both are not red. So probability that both are not red is, you can take the complement result. Complement result says that P of A P of A equal to 1 minus P of A complement. P of A complement. So getting Not getting both red is same as 1 minus probability of getting both red. Both red. Not getting both red is same as total probability 1 minus probability of getting the opposite. Probability of getting both red. So this is 1 minus P of red, red. So you have P of red, red, no? R, R. What is the total probability? Both has to happen. 8 by 15 into 7 by 40. So P of RR is 8 by 15 into 7 by 40. Red and red. And means the sign is cross. So that is 1 minus 8 by 15 into 7 by 15. So that is 1 minus 56 by 210. So 7 by 40, not 7 by 15, it is 7 by 40. 7 by 40. So that becomes 154 by 210. 154 by 210. Now, the next problem is Miss Laila borrows 8,500 OMR for 9 months. For 9 months at a simple interest rate of 11% per year. Determine the discounts and proceeds. Determine the discounts and proceeds. So this is the next question. Miss Laila borrows 8,500 OMR for 9 months at a simple interest rate of 11% per year. So 8,500 is your mature amount or the mature value. So M equal to 8,500. Now rate, interest rate is 11%. So rate is denoted with the letter R. R equal to 11%. 11% means 11 by 100, that is 0.11. Now the time T. Time T is given for how many months? 9 months. Usually you will write in years. So 9 months means 9 months. So that is 9 by 12 years. So first we will find what is the discount. Discount is represented with the letter D. What is the rule for discount? D equal to MRT. D equal to MRT. So you have your M. M is 8,500. R is 0.11 into T is 9 by 12. 9 by 12. So if you check from the calculator, answer will be 701.25. 701.25. So this is the rule for discount. Now we need proceeds. So the rule for proceed is P equal to M minus D. M minus D. M means the mature. That is 8,500. M is 8,500 minus D. D is 701.25. 701.25. So your answer will be 7798.75. So these are the rules for finding discount and proceeds. Now the next question is, Solve the system of linear inequalities. Solve the system of linear inequalities. Three inequalities are given. Y less than or equal to 2, 2x minus 4y less than 8, x plus 3y greater than or equal to 6. So you need to solve these inequalities, system of linear inequalities. So if you need to solve the linear inequalities, you need to solve by using graphical method. So first take the first equation. It is y less than or equal to 2. So first draw the graph for equal to sign. I cannot directly draw the inequality. So use the equal sign. So first draw the graph of y equal to 2. That is your first graph. Second one is 2x minus 4y equal to 8. We will draw the graph for the second one, that is 2x plus 4y equal to 8. So how will you draw the graph for this? For drawing the graph, you need the table. So table for x, table for y. So how will you draw the graph? First put x equal to 0, get the value of y. What is when x equal to 0, what will be y? Minus 4y equal to 8 or y equal to minus 8 by 4 minus 2. Then change y to 0. Then change your y to 0. So when you change y with 0, you have 2x equal to 8 or x equal to 8 by 2, which is 4. 8 by 2, which is 4. So this is the graph of 2x minus 4y equal to 8. Now one more inequality is there, the third one, x plus 3y bigger than or equal to 6. So first draw x plus 3y equal to 6. X plus 3y bigger than or equal to 6. So draw x plus 3y equal to 6. So for that also I need the table for x, y. First put x 0, then put y 0. Then connect these two lines. These are linear equations. So when you change x with 0, you will get 3y equal to 6 or y equal to 6 by 3, 2. Now, when you change y with 0, you will get x equal to 6. X equal to 6. So, you got the three lines. Now, we can draw the graph. We can draw the graph using this. So, for drawing the graph, you need two axes. You need the axis. Sometimes the graph will be given, mostly the graph will be given in the question. Otherwise, you need to draw the graph. So you need two axes, the x-axis and y-axis. So this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis. Now here I'm taking points like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. -1, -2, -3, -4, etc. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Here -1, -2, -3, -4, etc. This is the origin 0. Now, first line is y equal to 2. This is your second, this is your third. So the first line is y equal to 2. Y equal to 2. So this is your y-axis. This is your y-axis. And in that y equal to 2. Y equal to 2. So the line will be like this. Y equal to 2. Y equal to 2 means draw a straight line corresponding to the point 2 in the y. So this is the line y equal to 2. Y equal to 2. Now, the next line is 2x minus 4y equal to 8. Equation number 2. So that is the line connecting the 2 points. Which are the 2 points? x0, y minus 2. x0, y minus 2 and x4, y0. x4, y0. So that is the line connecting 0 minus 2 and 4 0. 0 minus 2 and 4 0. So this is that line. This is the line 2x minus 4y equal to 8. Now you need one more line, which is x plus 3y equal to 6. X plus 3y equal to 6. So which are the points? The x0, y2. x0, y2. Here, x0, y2 and x6, y0. x6, y0. x6, y0. So you connect the lines. This will be that line. Okay, it will be a line. If you draw with scale, you will get it clearly. So we have drawn the 3 line. Now we are applying the inequality. So 3 inequalities are there, which are they? Y less than or equal to 2, 2x, y less than or equal to 2, 2x minus 4y less than 8, 2x minus 4y less than 8, and the third one is x plus 3y, x plus 3y bigger than or equal to 6. So now we are checking whether the origin means this point 0, 0 will lie inside whether it is inside or outside. So origin means x0, y0. So do the origin test. Origin test means put x equal to 0, y equal to 0 in each inequality. So here only y is there. So when you put y equal to 0, you will get 0 less than or equal to 2. Which is true or false? Surely 0 is smaller than 2, no? So this is true. This is true means to the line, the point 0, 0 will be inside this inequality. So this is that area, no? Look, y equal to 2. So 0, 0 means it is in the down. So I can take all the points. Not even like this. I can take all the points to down to the line y equal to. I can take all the points down to the line y equal to 2. Since that is true, I can take origin in the region. Now, so first one finished. Now go to your second inequality. When you change x with 0 and y with 0, you will get 0 minus 0. 0 minus 0 is 0, no? So 0, 0 minus 0, I can write it as 0. 0 less than or equal to 8. So clearly it is true, no? 0 is smaller than 8. So even here also origin will lie. Here also origin lies. Here origin lies. Since it is true, origin will lie inside. So which is the line 2x minus 4y? This is the line 2x minus 4y equal to 8. And there also origin lies means here origin will come to the up. Up, this is the line, no? So origin is coming to the up. To the up. So I can take all my up points. I can take all the up points. So that also finished. Now the third inequality is x plus 3y bigger than or equal to 6. So when you change x and y with 0, what will happen? You will get 0 bigger than or equal to 6. Is that correct? 0 is not bigger than 6, no? So this is false. So if it is false means the origin does not lies. So inside this line, origin should not come. So which is that line? That line means this line, no? This is the line x plus 3y equal to 8. This is the line x plus 3y equal to 8. Here origin should not come. Origin should not come means I cannot take the down point. I can take only up point, all the up values. So check where all of them meet together. Look, all of them meet together inside here, no? Look, all the colors are here. Black, red and green. Black, red and green. So all of them meet together inside this region. Inside this region. Here. So this is the inequality. This is the solution of the inequality. This shaded region where all the points be together, that is called the solution. So this is how you will solve inequalities. This is the inequality. Solution of the inequality. So how you will test an origin lies or origin does not lie is, look, if this is the line, this is the line. If the statement is true, check whether it is true or false. If it is true, true means I can take all the points down. Okay, if it is true. And if it is false, look, if it is false means I cannot take the points to the down. I need to take points to the up. So this is how you will draw the graphs of inequality.